Hey everyone, welcome back to my another new video. I hope you all are doing really good. So today I'm going to fix this asus X45LJ laptop motherboard, and this motherboard condition is totally fully dead. So now I will try to fix this motherboard. So let's try to fix it. So as you can see, this model number of this motherboard X455LJ. So now let me show the condition of this motherboard. Okay. So I connect DC power supply to this motherboard, and as you can see here, no response. So if I press this power button, it's no responding. So now I will measure some impedance and voltage on this motherboard. So at first I will check impedance in 19 volt power rail. So I set my multimeter in beep mode, and so now I will show you under my microscope. So I put my ground probe in ground, and as you can see, this is the DC jack here, and this is the DC line. So there is no short. So other side of this MOSFET here also clear, and then check this another MOSFET here is also clear, and check this current sensing resistor is also clear. So 19 volt power rail is clear, there is no short ground. So now I'll check voltage. So I connect this power supply again, and then check this MOSFET again. So here we have 19 volt present. So the side of this MOSFET there is no voltage, as you can see. If I check this gate also 0. So let's check impedance of gate on this MOSFET. This also clear, there is no short. So now I will check charging IC at first. Some required voltage on this charging IC. So what I need to check first. So I open board view for this specific model. So this is the charging IC here. All the pin name is here. So now, so what I need to check? At first I need to check AC, and to check this VCC voltage. This is the VCC pin number 20, VCC voltage for this IC. So pin number 20. So 1 2 3 4 5 10 20 should be here. This resistor we have 18.95, other side also 18.95. so VCC voltage is clear. Next I need to check AC detect this voltage, pin number 6. AC detect should be 2.5 volt. Pin number 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, pin number 6, 2.599. This also perfect. Next voltage is region. Where is it? Region pin number 16, as you can see here. Just check here, pin number 16, 15, pin number 16. Okay, no reason voltage is present here. So let's check the impedance. This is ground. Is it ground? Yes, this is ground. All is okay. Okay, there is no short. So we have VCC, then we have AC detect, but we don't have this reason voltage in this charging IC. So in this case, first I need to replace this charging IC. So first I will replace this IC, then I will check again. Here, this is my donor board. I have lots of donor board. So I hope this IC will be good. And after replace this IC, this problem will be solved. This motherboard will be turned on. This is a BQ IC. It's melt nice and smooth. Okay, all the pin are melting very smoothly. So let's clean this area. Okay, it's done. BQ735 IC number. So let's connect the charger again. Excellent, it's turning on. As you can see here, this board is turning on. So let me show you the reason voltage now. In number 16, here as you can see 17 and 5.93. It's good. So we have reason voltage present now, and this board also turning on. As you can see, this fan is spinning. So I don't have this display right now, so I will check display is okay or not in this oscilloscope. So connect this USB and then connect the charger again. So it's turning on. Okay, successfully connect to your computer. So this laptop, this motherboard, it's running now. So it's very simple, very easy. Just you need to follow my step, how I check all the voltage step by step and replace the bad component for fixing this kind of motherboard. So it's done. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. If you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well. Bye bye.